Let's break down the tragic story of the HongKong Inferno in Hong Kong.
Right now, the death toll is 75. Just an absolutely staggering number. The fire just ripped through 7 of the 8 buildings in this massive housing complex.
And the human cost is immense. 75 dead, a firefighter lost, and over 100 people in the hospital.
So the big question is, how could a fire like this spread so unbelievably fast? Well, it seems a recent renovation used cheap, highly flammable materials on the building's exterior. And get this, they sealed the windows shut. It basically turned the building into a death trap. But amid all this tragedy, there was this one small glimmer of hope. Amazingly, rescue crews managed to pull one man alive from the wreckage on the 16th floor. And rescuers aren't giving up, holding out hope they might find others alive in the debris. So, as the search for survivors goes on, the hunt for accountability has already begun. And things are moving fast. Police have arrested 3 men tied to that deadly renovation.
In response, the government is cracking down, ordering immediate inspection citywide.
You can just feel it. The city's grief is quickly turning to pure anger. It really all comes down to this: who is going to be held responsible?
And the real question now is what has to change to make sure this never, ever happens again?